Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Zone. MrBeast succeeded to make a name for himself on YouTube by donating around $1 million for his friends, strangers, and also his fans. A new video is now answering the question which is always asked by his fans, where he gets all this money from. Now we'll see. Today, we'll be talking about 8 ways MrBeast makes his millions. Make sure you stay until number 1 as you don't want to miss how MrBeast earns his huge profit. Number 8. Advertising revenue. MrBeast earns anywhere from $3 to $10 for each 1,000 viewers' engagements. So guess how much he earns when his videos are getting billions of viewers? This is the most widespread way for earning money on social media. MrBeast benefits from his uploaded videos because he is getting advertisements offers. MrBeast is getting paid 55% of any advertiser's revenue that appears on YouTube while watching his videos. Basically, MrBeast gets his earnings of advertisements through the YouTube AdSense program. Ads are being embedded on the YouTube channel page that is expected to achieve the revenue from the channel's viewership. If there is ad money to share, YouTube will get 45% and MrBeast, who is the owner of the channel, will get 55% as a commission. There is no fast and simple way to estimate your earnings as a YouTube partner because the experiences differ on the site. For illustration, a small ad on YouTube is put in Argentina will pay less than an ad of a huge company of car manufacturing in, let's say, San Francisco. Number 7. AdSense revenue. MrBeast has around 30 million subscribers and more than 20 million viewers on average because his created content is appropriate for advertisements. You can't imagine how much he earns from YouTube. According to the Social Blade, he earns around $500,000 monthly. So, how MrBeast increases his AdSense revenue? He increases his AdSense revenue by preventing the following ads on his videos. Number 1. MrBeast blocks some advertisements that make visitors quickly escape from the ad and don't return to the site again. These include social casino games, referrals for sex and sexuality, dating, religion, black magic, astrology and secret rituals, sexual and reproductive health. Number 2. He doesn't accept free and cheap ads. Number 6. Corporate sponsorships. Companies like to attract an eye to their produced products and their services. MrBeast acts as a sponsor for their products and their services. Companies pay MrBeast for promoting their services and for talking about their products in his videos. Companies only prefer to work with influencers with a big number of followers and viewers, so the new YouTube users may not be qualified for sponsorship and to be influencers until their videos get up to 10,000 or more viewers' engagements. According to NailBuzz, MrBeast has a net worth of around $6 million. With over 16 million subscribers and 3 billion viewers, he could be making averagely $300,000 per day. Social Blade estimates that he could be making anywhere between $43.5k and $696.1k per month and between $522.1k to $8.4 million annually. This guy truly is a beast on YouTube. You may also ask yourself how much to charge YouTube sponsors. YouTube sponsors are nearly charged from $0.035 to $0.15 averagely per every single view. MrBeast gets provided a range from $1,000 to $3,000 per video, and that's not even a little budget when his videos get billions of views. Number 5. Relying on brand deals from companies. It has all started when he got his first brand deal from Quinn. They gave him $10,000, and he was like, wow, that's a lot of money, and immediately went outside and gave it to a homeless person. MrBeast told the homeless man that he is a YouTuber, and he is going around giving random people who need it $1,000. MrBeast asked the homeless man if he wanted to take it, and it was about $10,000. The homeless man was a hilarious guy, saying to him that it's the best day of his life. MrBeast uploads suitable videos for his relevant skills with content that people find interesting and appropriate for them. He goes viral and markets his uploaded videos to his personal blogs, his social media, and other sites. He really made his own brand on his own site and also got verified. He took it seriously and increased his fans and subscribers. He really is a proficient person. This guy spends lots on making the most effective YouTube videos possible. His only goal in life is to become the most effective and second biggest YouTuber worldwide. He still wants to depart the highest spot for PewDiePie so as to be the most effective YouTuber and track the thousands of videos uploaded every second to the present site. He must be compelled to not only have creative ideas, but also be ready to execute those ideas with high quality production value. Number 4. Relying on viral giveaway campaigns to generate more interest from brands. MrBeast relies on giveaways that he is making to whatever his friends, fans, or streamers want. He knows that when he does these viral giveaways, he will get more and more deals from other companies than Quinn. The next giveaway he did was actually the first time he ever donated to Twitch streamers. It was titled Donating $10,000 to Random Twitch Streamers, and it was also sponsored by Quinn. But since this video was sponsored, he actually had thousands of dollars. This was the first time he actually gave to a Twitch streamer over at a grin, and his reaction was hilarious. After a few weeks, Quinn wanted to do another video with him. This was his fourth sponsored video with this company, and of course, he was doing other content in between. But back then, he had no idea that brand deals were even really like this crazy, and the fact that they kept giving him tens and tens to give away. Then, the next giveaway came was donating money to attractive Twitch streamers. He said that he was watching a lot of PewDiePie, and one of his beams was like, respecting women. And so then he was like, hey, I'll just respect women on Twitch. He watched a lot of PewDiePie, and it influenced him. So, how much do these quality videos cost? Well, let's take a glance at a number of his preferred videos. One among his preferred videos is named I Put 100 Million Orbeez in My Friend's Backyard, where he does just that. The video had over 50 million views. On Amazon, a package of 50,000 Orbeez costs $6.99, and assuming he has Prime, it was free shipping. Within the video called Last to Get Rid of the Hand Gets a Lamborghini Challenge, where the last person to get rid of their hand from the car actually gets a Lamborghini, the winner was actually going to get a $201,999 Lambo on eBay. The winner ended up splitting the $200K with the opposite guys who participated. By either way, MrBeast spent a lot on this video. With 33 million views, he probably made that back. Speaking of cars, he also made a video called Destroying My Friend's Car and Surprising Him with a Brand New One, where he does just that. In the video, they had a can of paint that costs anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks. 3 buckets of slime can probably cost 45 to 60 bucks, actual explosives to blow up the car. Number 3. Corporate sponsorships. Companies like to attract an eye to their produced products and their services. MrBeast acts as a sponsor for their products and their services. Companies pay MrBeast for promoting their service and for talking about their products in his videos. Companies only prefer to work with influencers with a big number of followers and viewers, so the new YouTube users may not be qualified for sponsorship and to be influencers until their videos get up to 10,000 or more viewer engagements. According to NailBuzz, MrBeast has a net worth of around $6 million. With over 16 million subscribers and 3 billion viewers, he could be making averagely $30,000 per day. Social Blade estimates that he could be making anywhere between $43.5K and $696.1K every month, and between $522.1K and $8.4 million annually. This guy truly is a beast on YouTube. You may ask yourself, how much to charge YouTube sponsors? YouTube sponsors are nearly charged from $0.035 to $0.15 averagely per every single view. MrBeast gets provided a range from $1,000 to $3,000 per video, and that's not even a little budget when his videos get billions of views. Number 3. Fans donation. MrBeast relied on donations from his fans when he was less than 1,000 subscribers. This wasn't too easy, and it wasn't easy to happen. People hate spending their money on this donation unless they are very interested and enthusiastic about the displayed videos. It was very easy for him to rapidly grow up when he had been having this kind of engaged audience. It was his first step to earn huge profits from advertisers and sponsors. Number 2. Affiliate links. Promoting affiliate links is often an enormous earning opportunity for channels that supply in-depth tutorials, similarly as insightful product reviewers. For example, MrBeast recommends a product for a company and a user visits the link to buy it. Then, he starts earning his commissions. If you notice in his video's description, he places these links within the first few lines of his description and talks about the link in his video content. That's a huge profit. It differs from site to another. His profit for promoting affiliate links may range between 10 to 40% of the product's price. When MrBeast posts affiliate links on YouTube, then this leads to a typical similarity to promote affiliate links on his blog. Thus, MrBeast doesn't share the affiliate links everywhere. He shares it to his YouTube content only for the monetary benefits. Don't forget that viewers don't follow these links unless they believe he is a trusted resource. To build trust together with his audience, he helps them to solve concrete problems and supply tutorials. As a bonus, he creates videos that supply solutions he has had previously and accomplish them himself. There are lots of affiliate programs for him to join. He may join many alternative programs in one place on a preferred affiliate network like Soak or Amazon. The best place to increase the revenue is to start out a blog in unison together with his YouTube channel, and he already did. Then add affiliate links there too. That's why he's monetizing. YouTube and also a website that he owns may be the best source for his income. Number 1. Merchandise sale. MrBeast has his own website. This is a really good idea. Have you thought about this idea before? He earns a good profit by selling t-shirts, hats, trousers, and more products on his own website. This isn't really an easy job, but it gets a lot of money. MrBeast took too long to build his community. Do you know how long it took him to be like that? MrBeast took more than 6 years to build a perfect YouTube channel with a lot of fans and a lot of subscribers. He is a proficient person for sure. YouTube merchandise is considered a great way to generate income through your YouTube channel and the development of your brand. A large number of YouTubers, including MrBeast, get into the platform and create good content from the beginning, while the others build up their audience engagement as time passes. Growing up may be an organic or maybe a reason for a video going viral, which leads to generating a large number of viewers and subscribers. MrBeast started to think about his earnings and profits only when these large numbers of views and subscriptions appeared, and the first place he goes is his YouTube, putting the advertisements in his own videos. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!